Hi everyone. So today we're going to turn a sweatshirt into a jacket. I know y'all all have sweatshirts, so put them on the ironing board, get out all those wrinkles, and let's get started. That we've gotten out all the wrinkles, let's put the seams together. See, I'm putting the bottom seam together because we're going to take and fold this in half. Going to fold it in half. We're going to catch the top and catch those together by the seam as well. So we'll have a straight seam down the middle. There you go. And we're going to take and we're going to iron that flat as well. Okay? Now, since we've done that, look at that. Look at that perfect line. See? You have that perfect line straight in the middle of the sweatshirt, right there in the middle. Now let's turn this sideways, spread it back out on the board. Make sure you have it flat and even, no wrinkles or anything. We're going to get our scissors and we're going to cut straight up the middle. And make sure you have some sharp scissors because these were just a little dull. Taking all day. All day. Look at that. Just all day. But we're going to cut it along that pressed line in the middle of the shirt. All the way up to the top. Okay? There we go. Almost there. Boom. Okay? There you have it. Cut. And, look at that. We have a jacket. Now comes the fun part. Now, well, I have two of them up here, a gray and a black. So, I mean, you can use different kinds of binding, okay? I mean, I'm going to use some pearls as well. But, so, you have your iron-on for those who do not sew, don't know anything about a needle and thread or a machine. You have your bias tape, the double fold, and this is what it looks like. It's wide. You can open it and, stick it on top of there. And I'm going to embellish one of them with some pearls. So let's go. The fun part. So I'm going to sew mine on. Okay. So I've placed the double fold, binding tape on there, pinned it together. Because like I said, you could just slip it on there, pin it together. We're going to use a number 2 stitch. See if it's like this, a little zigzag stitch. Just for a little decorations, a little, pop on it, things like that. So, I mean, let's get the sewing. And how cute are these? A black jacket, but y'all probably see that like in another video. And I'll see you in my next video.